Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana. I'm making another video today. Today's video is on a Bayou test run on a 1961 18 horsepower Evinrude restore number 123 for Richard here in Boudreaux. Richard wanted an 18 horsepower. He wanted the light restore, which does not include painting and decals, but I went ahead and did a little paint job on her. This thing is fully restored, magneto rebuilt, carburetor, gear case, tuned up. She runs great. Great motor, and not a bad looking motor either. A little paint job on the top here and painted the hood. Did a inside painting too on it. See if we can get a look at that. Yeah, looks pretty good for a quickie paint job. Made a video of the quickie paint job on her. She looks really good. We're gonna see how she runs now. Take her out on this chilly morning on Bayou Tesh and give her a test run. If everybody's ready, here we go. All right, we're out on the Bayou this morning. Kind of chilly here, 43 degrees. That's cold in South Louisiana. I got this motor here, test run about 15 minutes, and it's a good motor. It's 18 horsepower, 1961. 18 horsepower for Richard. I mean, she's a 10. She runs perfect. Starts first crank when it's cold, choke, and then easy to start after that. Pushes my 14-foot feathercraft here about 21 miles an hour. Let's give her a run here on the Bayou this morning. You know what? I noticed it feels like the prop is slipping on it. Got up to high gear right there and it spun out a little bit. Let's take it for another run, see how that works. Woo, it's cold this morning. Let's see if it'll do it again. There it goes, spun prop. Ran good. The first 10 minutes I ran her, she ran good. Now it's getting a little worse and worse. Watch this when I take off. You hear the motor continuing high RPM, but the boat ain't moving. Did it again, and it's getting worse and worse. All right, well, I got a way to test that prop for being spun. I made a good video on that, on prop hubs and how to test for a slip prop. I'm gonna drive back to my shop, take that prop off the boat, bring it in and test it for a spun prop, and then find me a good one and bring it back in. Let's try that again. It's fun. It's getting worse and worse. Hope I can make it back to the landing. But of course, you know I'm testing this upstream. That way if it conks out on me, the current will take me back to the landing. So I'm going to get back to my shop and test that prop, show you how to test for a slip prop. And then I'll get it running. Stay tuned. Alright, so I'm back in my shop. I've got the prop here. I'm going to show you how to test for a slip prop. So make you a wedge out of a piece of steel, piece of metal, and make it just the right size for it to slip into that place where the shear pin goes on your prop. All right, take your wedge, put it in a vise, set your prop on that wedge, and see if you can spin it. See if you can spin it by hand. See how it spins by hand? That prop is slipped. Okay, I got another prop. This was actually the original prop on that same motor. I came back in and tested it, and look at it. Look how easy it spins. So I came back to my shop. I took this one and I put it in here, and I couldn't spin it. But when I went out and put a torque on it, it slipped it. Now I can spin it. So I'm gonna take both of these slipped props. I'm going to take both of these slip props over to my prop shop in Lafayette, get them to press out the hubs and put in new rubber hubs. I think they charge $45 a prop. And I'm going to take them back over here and show you that I can't spin them anymore. And that ought to fix my problem so I can go run Richard's boat in the Bayou and make it pass the test. All right, so stay tuned for that. Here we are at the prop shop in Lafayette. Gonna bring about 2 props in and get them unslipped with new rubber hubs put in. Yes, sir. I got my props, my 2 props back from the prop shop. Put them on the boat, and I'm back out here on the Bayou this afternoon. Kind of chilly still, but I took care of it. She runs beautiful, man. This motor screams 22 miles an hour on my 14-foot feathercraft. Let's take it for a spin and watch her run. Yes, sir. She's a beauty. She is a beauty. Idles down really nice. Let's check reverse. Yeah, reverse works good. Putting out good water. Good water. Kill switch works. Let's see if we can give a quick start. Yes, sir. Barely pull on it and she starts. She's a runner. She's good to go now. Richard, you can come get it when you're ready. Light restore. Completed. I love what I do. I love being out on the Bayou in this cool weather, running a beautiful motor. Let's take her in. Last run. Aye. Hope you enjoyed the video here at T. Mike's Vintage Outboards. We're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Thank you very much. Au revoir, mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler. Aïe!